Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ezio's Gameplay. Today I'm gonna talk about how to run Linux environment and Windows PC. So I'm gonna simply open the Chrome and search for VirtualBox, and here you find the first link, download link. Go for it, and here you can find the Windows host, basically that Linux system host in the Windows. So just click on it, and here we go. The installation file start downloading, so wait a sec. After downloading the software, you can simply run it and install it. Wait. So simply click next, and here you can change the location, but I refer to leave it in C. I tell you why in later in this video, but for now leave those boxes check, and next say yes and install it. Just say yes. It ask you for the permission to make changes in your PC, so just say yes, and the installation process just started. Now this software is ready for use. After installing the software, just open VirtualBox, and you can find pretty much nothing here. All you have to do is download a operating system and install it here. So at first just minimize it and search for any Linux software. I'm gonna go for Ubuntu. So basically my college refers this software the most, that's why, nothing else. Just open it, and here you find the long-term version, and there is the latest version, but this version have more bugs, and this is the fresh. So I'm gonna download the LTS version of Ubuntu. Wait a sec, it's gonna take some time to download, I think so. So here it is. Let's download it through IDM. Just copy this link address and Internet Download Manager, and add this URL and select your location. This is in my case this is the F drive, and start the download. Here we can get much more speed, as you can see, so simply cancel it and wait for the rest of the download. After you download your operating system, just open VirtualBox, and here you find the new. Click on it, and you have to mention the type. In my case, it Linux, and have to mention the proper name of it. In my case, Ubuntu 64-bit. Select it and just avoid this step if you have enough space in C drive. In my case, I don't have, so I'm gonna change it. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. If you want, you can follow me. Click next. Allot RAM. I'm gonna give it 4 gigs of RAM. Next. Leave it the default option, it's better. Always choose this option, okay? VirtualBox text image. Next. Dynamic means if needed it can increase the size, so it's better if you need by chance. Next. Allocate. I'm gonna give it around 30 gig of storage. Just leave it by default and create it. After you creating this, uh, don't go for the start button first. Wait a sec. Just right click and settings. Here you find those settings. Here select this as bidirectional, so you can drag and drop between your actual system, which is Windows, and the VirtualBox system, Ubuntu. So leave it there and no need to change it. And those are right. Processor. So I'm gonna do it two cores. Uh, it's will be fine. Memory, video memory. Increase it the max level, and here is the storage part. So select this empty space, and here you can find the downloaded Ubuntu file. So click it and it will be fine, and no need to select any of this. Simply click OK. After you doing all of this, just hit start. It takes some time. Just cancel those warnings. I think Ubuntu is the best Linux operating system for the beginners. It's too much handy and easy to use. Just hit install Ubuntu and select your language. If you want, you can check your keyboard. After this, continue. So the normal installation is better for your day-to-day work. So continue. If you have SSD, believe me, it's gonna so much faster that you are experiencing right now. So SSD is better. So select the erase disk and install Ubuntu. no need to worry about, because it's a virtual machine, so it's not gonna erase your actual hard disk memory. So just go for it, install now. It shows those warnings before you actually install it, so just continue. So it select my default area, so hit continue next, choose your name, so it's okay. Select your password and hit continue. So as you can see, the Ubuntu installation is completed. So I'm gonna resize it. So if I resize it, you can see this is not extend. So what we gonna do is open the terminal. Now you have to write down this command and just simply run it. I'm gonna leave this command in the description so you can check it. Simply click enter. It requires the password. Simply hit the password and hit yes. It's just downloading the software which is needed for the resizing issue. So just wait. So after it's done, just go to the devices and just run it. It's also required the password. So just close it, this, and just shut down the system. No need to restart, by the way. So after shutdown, just reopen this machine. simply enter the password. Here we go. So you can see it can resize pretty easy. Now it just work fine, so you can do whatever you want, like your college work, your projects. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.